We are talking about the adverb of frequency. These are those adverbs of frequency. Always, agony, agony. Say it, agony, ago, ni. Usually, degree, to draw, torno, T-O-N-O, T-O-H-R-N-O. Frequently, minic. Often, sometimes, occasionally, o-agoham. Sabi mo goham. Occasionally. Paminsan-minsan. From time to time. Ang usually, degree, dudro, torno. Ano yon? Yung usually, torno, degree, dudro. Frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally. Ang occasionally, o-agoham. Occasionally, o-a-goham. Thank you for watching.